Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing how to get started with R. So there was some request for some people, they were getting this blank screen when they install the R. So I'll just guide you through. So let's download R. So just go ahead to Google. Just go to the R Studio website. So just scroll down. First you need to install R, then the R Studios. So you might want to install the right version for you. So in case you have older versions, just download the previous version from the website. So once you have downloaded and installed the software, it may not look like this. So let's go to a new project from file and just save this one. So the new one, you can either choose an existing directory or the new directory. So I'll just click on new directory. So go new project, the directory name, and put it as YouTube. The file location, I'll just create a new folder here. I'll give the name R for begin. So I've created the folder. So our file should be saved in this directory. So you might get something like this. So this is a console, work area, like files, plots, packages. So the base one will be installed. Help to help, and the viewer and presentation would be blank. So I'll go to new R script. So this is the R script area where you're going to type your script. So in case you want to change the appearance, go to tools, global options, and appearance. So you can change the appearance of R as you wish. There are various options with different colors. So you can choose as you wish. Just click on it and apply. So once you have done with it, just save it. So R script is a blank workspace. I can do multiple tasks. So you can even do a general workflow on it. So just show how to work with it. Let's go ahead and import the library ggplot2. It's the most commonly used one for most of the graphs. So I've run the line. So you can either run from the command from the run option, or you could just do the command plus enter on Mac and control and enter on the Windows. You could even do the basic calculations. Let's try some basic one like 5 plus 5. When you run it, it gives you the result. And 5 multiplies by 5 into 5 gives 25. So that's the basic of R. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.